What's up, everybody?
Hey guys, we want to wish you a happy holiday.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Here at Shop 3D, we've got some great gift ideas for you.
Amazing gift ideas. What's first?
We got stocking stuffers.
Nice, let's get it.
Hit it!
So if you're looking for some ideas for stocking stuffers this year, I have a few recommendations. Brass nozzles. You're always going to need them, so get them. And talking about nozzles, filament cleaners. This stuff works great. And for the 2.85 guys, we have them as well. For peace of mind, when I'm away from the printer, I use Demafix to keep the prints on the build plate. And for those really creative projects where I gotta bring all the parts together, I recommend using 3D glue. I really like this stuff. So for this holidays, these are some recommendations for your stocking stuffers.
The next 3 gifts are perfect for the maker in your life. The first one is a tabletop 3D scanner. Simply set up an object on this table, it will automatically rotate and create a perfectly 3D printable model without any design work. Next gift is the MakeCube vacuum former. And it's awesome if you already have a 3D printer because you can 3D print a mold, put it down here, form a sheet over it, and get a perfectly food-safe molds for your cookies or chocolates or whatever it is you want to do with it. And the last tool is my favorite tool in the shop because it makes me look amazing. I don't have a CNC or a space for a CNC and I'm really bad with a router, but this thing makes me look amazing because it can cut straight line with no problem because it automatically adjusts for you. No matter which of these gifts you get, don't you worry because your maker will be happy.
Looking for Secret Santa suggestions? We've got you covered. We got eSun PLA starting at $24. Transparent, silk, and standard. Don't know what they like? Get them all. We also have Magic Glue adhesion sticks for all different types of filaments. If you don't know what they have, you can just get them the Pro Kit. It contains all of them. Finally, if you're looking for some bling, we've got Olsen ruby nozzles. Tipped with a ruby in 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8 diameters. I'm sure you'll find the one that's right for you. And finally, if you're looking for something really big to make an impact, we've got 2.5 kilogram filament spools in 1.75 and 2.85. Or go all out and get the full 4.5 kilogram spools. Doesn't matter what you choose, if you're choosing something from here, it's gonna be way better than this time.
Let's talk about some uniquely amazing gifts that you can get for the maker in your life this holiday season. First up, 316L stainless steel filament. Why print with boring all plastic when you can upgrade to 316L stainless steel? Next up, we have the Formlabs Color Kit X. Why print with plain old white, clear, or gray resin, printing a full range of colors? Add that pop of color to any of your prints. Easy peasy. Last up, we have the AstroPrint Astro Box. It's an upgrade for your printer that lets you have Wi-Fi connectivity, cloud storage, lets you slice remotely, and a range of options that can upgrade your printing experience.
And now for the main event. Hey, that looks pretty nice.
And that looks pretty sturdy.
Actually, it's pretty heavy.
And this one is pretty nice. This is the Ultimaker, our most reliable system yet.
And this is the CraftBot Plus Pro, our least expensive but most sturdy system.
So if you have somebody very special in your life,
And you want to get them something beautiful,
you get them the Ultimaker. If you want to get them something sturdy,
get them the CraftBot.
if you don't know what to get
'em
them
both.
So I hope you enjoyed our gift suggestion guide for the year of 2020.
And we wish you and your family have a safe and happy holiday and a happy new year.
And if you didn't like any of the gift suggestions in this video, definitely make sure to tune in and subscribe.
Because on our next video, we're going to have the ultimate
Ultimate
bundle.